Welcome back, folks. Today we have a random question on proportion. Okay, so here it is. Let's have a quick look. We've got f is directly proportional to t squared. F is 30 when t is 4. Find the value of f when t is equal to 6. So when you're thinking proportion, you've got to be using the proportionality symbol, which is that fishy symbol, right? So this one here. Make sure you're using that symbol there. And you've got to use that constant k, right? So that's your constant of proportionality. You've got to have that. And then you write out an equation normally that helps you to relate the two variables together, okay? So think about all of those things and get cracking, and I'll catch you in a minute to go over it. Right, time to go through it. Now then, from the very first line of this question, we've been told that f is directly proportional to t squared. So what we can do is put down something called a statement of proportionality, okay? So our statement of proportionality is this. We're going to say that f is proportional or directly proportional to t squared. So that's the way you want to start. The next thing is you can't do math with a proportionality sign. You want to put an equal sign into there. So we're going to do this. We'll replace that with an equals and then a constant, which is your constant of proportionality. We'll call it k for now. And then t squared. Next, what are we told? Well, we're told that when f is 30, t is equal to 4. So when f is 30, we'll substitute 30 into there. And then we've got t as 4. So there we go. So what have we got? We've got 30 is equal to, should we say 16k then? Let me just separate these 1 second. There you go, 16k. And then to find what k is, we're going to find out our constant of proportionality. That there's going to be 30 over 16. And we can just simplify that down. That's going to be 15 over 8. There we go. So when you've got this, you need to take it, go back to this stage here, the very second step, right? And fill in what k is, because then it gives you a formula. So what we've learned is that f is equal to 15 over 8t squared. And this formula here will allow us to work out whatever we need to work out for the next part of the question. Now with this one, it happens to be that we need to work out the value of f when t is 6. So t is 6. We need to replace t there with 6. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll have f is equal to 15 over 8 times by, we've got 6 squared. There we go. So we'll multiply those together. What does that give us? So 15 over 8 times by 6 squared is going to give us 135 over 2. Or if we're putting that as a decimal, that there is 67.5. And there it is. So hope you've all got that. Not a bad question there to start off then for proportion. So more proportion questions coming soon. Stay tuned. And we'll catch up hopefully in the next video.